Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll explore how algorithms can be applied to real-world problems. We'll walk through some common case studies and show you how to implement effective solutions using PHP. Our first real-world example is the scheduling problem. Imagine you need to schedule multiple tasks, and some tasks overlap. The goal is to find the maximum number of non-overlapping tasks that can be completed. This is a classic case of the activity selection problem, which can be solved using a greedy algorithm. In this example, we use a greedy approach to select tasks that finish the earliest. This way, we maximize the number of tasks that can be completed without overlap. The next real-world scenario is the Traveling Salesman Problem, TSP. A delivery person needs to visit multiple locations and return to the starting point while minimizing the total distance traveled. This problem is NP hard, so an exact solution is computationally expensive, but we can implement a nearest neighbor algorithm as an approximation. Using the nearest neighbor algorithm, we start from the initial location and always move to the closest unvisited location. This provides a good approximation to the traveling salesman problem. Our third real-world problem is the stock buy and sell problem. The goal is to determine the best days to buy and sell stocks to maximize profit. This problem can be solved efficiently with a dynamic programming approach. In this example, we traverse the list of stock prices and track the minimum price encountered so far. We then calculate the maximum profit by selling on the current day and compare it to the previous maximum profit. Finally, let's look at the shortest path problem. This is useful in many real-world scenarios, such as finding the fastest route in navigation apps. We'll use Dijkstra's algorithm to find the shortest path in a weighted graph. Dijkstra's algorithm calculates the shortest path from a starting point to all other points in a graph, making it essential for solving problems like route planning and network optimization. In this lesson, we explored how algorithms can be applied to solve real-world problems. We covered scheduling, the traveling salesman problem, stock buy, sell, and finding the shortest path. Algorithms like greedy dynamic programming and Dijkstra's algorithm provide efficient solutions to these challenges. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lessons on mastering algorithms and data structures in PHP. You can find the complete code for this lesson on GitHub. See you in the next video.